Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Let's head to your gas prices. Guess what? They are going down effective tomorrow. Each liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will cost $3.06 less. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will decline by $3.06 per liter also. Kerosene will decline by $4.06. $1.21 will be removed from the cost of propane and butane. And of course, each gas station will make these adjustments to their prices, which include a markup on the ex-refinery rate offered by Petroleum. Of course, our local gas prices are influenced by the prices coming out of the U.S. Gulf market. Let's head to foreign exchange trading now. Banks and cambios are selling the American dollar for an average $156.36. The Canadian is going for $116.01. $198.42 is the average value of the pound, while the euro is trading for an average $172.80. And to the stock market, the Jamaica Stock Exchange main index advanced by 1,448 points today, while the junior market index declined by 9 points. Among the 38 winners were Paramount Trading Jamaica, First Rock Real Estate Investments US dollar shares, Medical Disposables and Supplies, QWI Investments, and Massey Holdings out of Trinidad and Tobago. The 50 losers included Stanley Motor Ordinary Shares, Productive Business Solutions PBS US dollar ordinary shares, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, Cygnus Credit Investments US dollar ordinary shares, and the Jamaica Stock Exchange. Now 27 stocks traded firm. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Please stay with us. Regional and international news stories, they're all after the break.